How do you win or lose as a real estate agent? Are you wondering how to win or lose in real estate? You want to rank yourself on these 5 subjects. Ranking yourself a 5 means you're the best, and 1, you know nothing about it or you just plain suck at it. Number 1 is mindset. Number 2, lead generation. Number 3, lead conversion. Number 4, home valuation. And number 5, sales skills. Why is mindset set at number 1? Because if you have the wrong mindset, you're not going to get into lead generation. You're not going to pick up the phone. You're not going to make the calls. Why is lead generation number 2? Your job in real estate is to find somebody who wants to buy or sell a home. That's your job. Without lead generation, there is no real estate business. But are you good at generating leads, but you can't convert them? You've got to learn how to convert those leads. Number 4, home valuation. You've got the appointment with the buyer or the seller. Can you really talk about value? Do you understand it? Can you convey it in a manner that your customers understand? And sales skills. If you can't get them to a contract, you're not getting paid. Good luck on your ranking. Hopefully we see you at a 25 one day. That's it.